Bioremediation is the use of either naturally occurring or deliberately introduced microorganisms or other forms of life to consume or break down environmental pollutants in order to clean up the polluted sites. Thank you.
Polluting compounds. Polluting compounds may occur as a liquid, gas, or solid. Here are 10 of the major polluting compounds. 1. Pesticides. Some examples are insecticides and fungicides. 2. Heavy metals. These can be found in fuel, chemicals, waste materials, and batteries. 3. Suspended solids. These are minerals and organic particles that remain suspended in water. 4. Settable solids. These are minerals or organic solids which can settle onto the beds of rivers and lakes. 5. Oxygen depleting substances. 6. Pathogens. 7. Temperature. 8. Hydrocarbons. These include vegetables, mineral oils, and chlorinate solvents such as dry cleaning fluids. 9. Persistent organic pollutants. These are chemicals that are capable of long-range transport, accumulate in human and animal tissue. And 10. Nutrients, like phosphorus, ammonia, and nitrogen.
Pollution is addition to the ecosystem of something which has a detrimental effect on it. One of the most important causes of pollution is the high rate of energy usage by modern growing populations. There are three different kinds of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Air pollution is the accumulation in the atmosphere of substances that in sufficient concentrations endanger human health or produce other measured effects on living matter and other materials. Water pollution is the introduction into fresh or ocean waters of chemical, physical, or biological material that degrades the quality of water and affects the organisms living in it. Land pollution is the degradation of the Earth's land surface through misuse of the soil by poor agricultural practices, mineral exploitation, industrial waste dumping, and indiscriminate disposal of urban wastes.
I'm going to talk about the water processes. First, I'm going to talk about the process that is most important, and it is filtration. Water flows through a filter designed to remove particles in the water. The filters are made of layers of sand and gravel, and in some cases crushed Antarctic. Filtration collects the suspended impurities in water and enhances the effectiveness of disinfection. The filters are routinely cleaned by backwashing. Disinfection. Water is disinfected before it enters the distribution system to ensure that any disease-causing bacteria, viruses, and parasites are destroyed. Chlorine is used because it is a very effective disinfectant, and residual concentrations can be maintained to guard against possible biological contamination. Okay, friends, well, this is a process that I think is the most effective. It's very good, and I'm going to continue to work against possible biological contamination in the water distribution system. There's another one that is very important too, and is sedimentation. As the water and the flock particles progress through the treatment process, they move into sedimentation basin where the water moves slowly, causing the heavy flock particles to settle to the bottom.
Bioremediation is a waste management technique that involves the use of organisms to remove or neutralize pollutants from a contaminated site. Also, is a trait that use natural occurring organisms to break down dangerous substances into less toxic or not toxic substances.